Within the Management Control Centre, we have both administrative staff and clinical nurse managers who are responsible for the screening of all referrals. Once the patient is referred to the service, we are responsible for ensuring that the patient is safe to be accepted onto our service. This is done through clinical screening of the referral and liaising with our pharmacy and logistic colleagues to ensure that we have the appropriate drug and that it can be safely delivered and dispensed to the patient. Once that is done, we will link back with the referring unit to organise a discharge plan. This is very important so that the patient can safely be discharged from hospital without missing any prescribed treatment. Once the patient is accepted onto the service, the scheduled visit is automatically sent to the nurse's tablet through the system. This also contains the patient information and any other information that she may need to carry out the visit safely.
Once the patient has been approved and accepted onto service, that patient's prescription then goes across to our pharmacy, where the product is dispensed, picked, packed and delivered direct to the patient's home in advance of the nurse arriving at the patient's door.
When a new prescription and referral is received at TCP, the first thing that happens is that the pharmacy team will review it for clinical appropriateness. At that point then, we hand it to our pharmacy technicians who will start to dispense the order. They will collect all the medicines and the ancillaries that are required by the nurse and the patient in the home. We use handheld scanners so that we have track and trace technology. So we can barcode every single vial of IV medication that we dispense and we can follow it the whole way through the system. Once the order is prepared, it's double checked by the pharmacist to make sure that everything that the patient will need and that the nurse will need in the home is in the order. Then it's packed up by our pharmacist and sealed, and it's passed over to our logistics department. They organise delivery out to the patient home, and it's critical that the delivery coincides with our nurse visit.